Here's the nature notebook. This is by Schoolnest. You can color it. Table of contents. You have a 1-year temperature tracker, a temperature color key, a quote by Shirley Mason. You have your calendar of firsts, and then you put the month, a bunch of those. And then my son already started using this. I'm going to fast forward here. And it repeats these pages where you have a species name, date of observation, location, notes, and sketch. So you have those all throughout. And this is on kind of a cream paper. And then in the back, there's some more lists. List of birds observed, list of animals, list of plants, list of flowers, and then you can come up with your own lists. And then just some final graph pages.